Let's swing it back to Alan Rose. Boy, I'm loving that sunshine I am seeing out the window, Alan.
Yeah, gorgeous out there. Sunrise actually happening as we speak at 5:47 this morning. Sunset tonight, well after 8 o'clock. Now, before I get to that forecast, just feature more heavy rain late this week, let's recap what we've seen for the month of May. This has been incredible so far, especially last Thursday. That's when we saw a record-setting day of rainfall at the Springs Airport. Over 3 inches of rain in a single day. And we saw rain on the 10th, the day before, and rain that followed on Friday. So rain more often than not so far this month. Some days light amounts, some days record-setting rainfall, and we are nearly twice the monthly average with still about half the month to go. Outside temperatures right now in the 30s around Cripple Creek and Woodland Park. We have 40s down across the lower elevations into the Pikes Peak region. You can see 49 degrees on the map here in Pueblo, 55 for Canyon City. Looks like we have some 30s and 40s out to the west, up towards the mountains and mountain valleys. And today, really not expecting any widespread rain threat across the I-25 corridor and the eastern plains. Just an isolated chance that some of that mountain activity drifts into our region. Probably some gusty winds, maybe some light showers at times. Not really expecting hail or damaging winds from today's storms, but really the bigger story is going to be a noticeable warm up with highs about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than yesterday. Then as we make our way towards the end of the week, we have an area of low pressure moving across the U.S.-Canadian border. That's going to send a cold front down here into southern Colorado, and that is going to bring another potential very wet pattern here to the state of Colorado. In fact, heavy rain and thunderstorms with river flooding and urban flooding, all the possibilities to make our way towards the end of the week. This gives you an idea of the potential for how much rain we could see fall. Areas shaded in blue, seeing around an inch to maybe inch and a half. You get above the blue into purple. That means that some spots can expect to see more than an inch, maybe as much as 1.5 to 2 inches, 2.5 inches of rainfall through the end of the upcoming week. And it looks like the period of time with the potential for the most rain would come Thursday to Friday for both the Springs and Pueblo. Highs today into the 60s around Woodland Park. Some of our mountain areas also staying in the 60s. The rest of us today into the 70s and 80s. And take a look at that super 7-day forecast. Strong to severe storms possible Wednesday. Rain and thunderstorms continuing Thursday into Friday. And with more moisture, the potential for heavy more long-term rain here. Increased flood threat, 1 to 2 inches here possible through the end of the week. That for the Pikes Peak region. For Pueblo, I've got 80s with the warm up through Wednesday, cooling down behind that cold front on Thursday. Friday, heavy rain possible with a high of just 63 degrees. Canyon City, you want to get stuff done. Today's the day to do it. We'll see a strong to severe threat tomorrow afternoon, and then more widespread rain expected Thursday to Friday before a chance of daily storms through the upcoming weekend. For Woodland Park, another spring soaker on the way. Rain and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. Cool and unsettled Friday with a high of just 50 degrees.